Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the previous video, we discussed the structure-activity relationship and mechanism of action of local anesthetics. If you did not watch the video, hit the I button on top right of this video to watch it. To learn the other topics of local anesthetics and medicinal chemistry, click on the links given in the description below this video. In this lesson, we shall learn the benzoic acid derivatives such as cocaine, hexylcaine, meprilcaine, cyclomethycaine, and piperocaine, which are belonging to a type of local anesthetic drugs. Among several classes of local anesthetics, benzoic acid derivatives or benzoates are one of them. In this type of compounds, benzoic acid unit is required to have the local anesthetic activity. Such compounds include cocaine, which possess benzoic acid unit in which the hydrogen atom is replaced by methyl ecgonine. Similarly, the hydrogen atom of benzoic acid is replaced by cyclohexyl aminopropyl 2-yle group in hexylcaine, 2-methyl-2-propyl aminopropyl group in meprilcaine, 3,2-methyl piperidine 1-yle propyl 4-cyclohexyl oxy group in cyclomethycaine, and in piperocaine, it is replaced by 3,2-methyl piperidine 1-yle propyl group. It is to note that several other benzoic acid derivatives have been prepared and tested for local anesthetic activity, but these compounds have achieved clinical use. Thus, all these compounds are the benzoic acid derivatives which are found to exhibit significant local anesthetic activity. Let us discuss the chemistry, synthesis, mechanism of action, and medicinal uses of all these drugs in the coming slides. The first drug of this lesson is cocaine. Cocaine is a tropane alkaloid obtained from the leaves of two coca species native of South America, namely Erythroxylon coca and Erythroxylon novogranatans. It was the first agent used for topical anesthesia. It is an ester of benzoic acid and a nitrogen-containing base. Thus, it is chemically known as benzoyl methyl ecgonine. It is a benzenoid ester that is most commonly used for its central nervous system stimulating and local anesthetic activity. There are two methods for the synthesis of cocaine. The first method of synthesis starts from the potassium salt of the acetone dicarbonic acid ethyl ester, which upon electrolysis gives the diethyl ester of succinyl diacetic acid. This upon further reaction with methylamine forms 1-methyl-2,5-dicarbethoxymethylidene pyrrolidine. Reduction of the two double bonds in the compound leads to the formation of 1-methyl-2,5-dicarboethoxymethylpyrrolidine. This undergoes intermolecular Dieckmann cyclization using sodium ethoxide as a condensing agent, which gives the ethyl ester of tropene 2-carboxylic acid. Reduction of the keto group and final hydrolysis of the carboethoxy group gives tropene 2-carboxylic acid, or known as ecgonine. Methylation of the carboxy group to an ester and further esterification of the hydroxyl group by benzoyl chloride leads to a racemic mixture of 3-benzoyl-2-methoxycarbonyl propane, from which D-L-cocaine is isolated. The separation of optical isomers is accomplished through the transformation to D-bromocamphor bisulfonic acid salts. Upon hydrolysis, both the bromocamphor sulfonic acid and the benzoyl groups detach, after which a repetitive benzylation is performed. Thus, a free cocaine is obtained. The second scheme of cocaine synthesis starts from propanone, which goes methoxycarbonylation with a dimethyl carbonate in the presence of sodium, forming the sodium salt, which after the gaseous acidic hydrolysis and reduction of the carbonyl group of the resulting keto ester by sodium amalgam or electrolytically is esterified by benzoyl chloride, giving the desired product. The final product is a racemate, from which the levorotatory isomer, that is cocaine, is isolated. Cocaine in its purest form is a white or colorless crystalline powder or crystals. It is very soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol, and slightly soluble in methylene chloride. It is a weakly alkaline compound and can therefore combine with acidic compounds to form salts. The hydrochloric acid salt of cocaine is the most commonly encountered, although the sulfate and the nitrate salts are occasionally seen. The salts are polar in character and is quite soluble in water. The mechanism of action of cocaine exerts its local anesthetic effects is by binding to and blocking the voltage-gated sodium channels in the neuronal cell membrane. By stabilizing neuronal membranes, cocaine inhibits the initiation and conduction of nerve impulses and produces a reversible loss of sensation. Cocaine was originally used as a local anesthetic, but it is no longer used because of its potent addictive qualities. It is used in exceptional cases as a surface or topical anesthetic in ophthalmology due to the fast onset of addiction and its powerful effect on the central nervous system. For topical application, a 1%, 4% or 10% solution is used for anesthesia of the ear, nose, throat, rectum and vagina. The second drug is hexylcaine. Hexylcaine is also called cyclane or osmocaine. It is a short-acting ester class of local anesthetics. Its IUPAC name is 1-cyclohexylamino-2-propanol benzoate. It is hydrolyzed by plasma esterases to form benzoic acid and other derivatives. Hexylcaine is synthesized in a single-step reaction in which benzoyl chloride and 1-cyclohexylamino-2-propanol are condensed, during which hydrogen chloride is removed to form the desired compound, that is hexylcaine. Hexylcaine is a white powder soluble in water and chloroform. It is regarded as an all-purpose soluble local anesthetic agent. The onset and duration of action is almost similar to that of lignocaine. Hexylcaine acts mainly by inhibiting sodium influx through voltage-gated sodium channels in the neuronal cell membrane of peripheral nerves. When the influx of sodium is interrupted, an action potential cannot arise and thus the signal conduction is inhibited. The receptor site is thought to be located at the cytoplasmic or inner portion of the sodium channel. Hexylcaine is mainly used as a surface anesthetic. The third drug of this lesson is meprilcaine. Meprilcaine is also known as epirocaine or oracaine. It is a local anesthetic with stimulant properties. Its IUPAC name is 2-methyl-2-propylamino-propyl benzoate. It is structurally related to dimethocaine. Meprilcaine is synthesized from 2-amino-2-methyl-1-propanol on alkylation with N-propyl bromide followed by benzylation with benzoyl chloride in the presence of an alkali, that is sodium hydroxide, forms meprilcaine. Meprilcaine's mechanism of action is quite similar to that of other local anesthetics. It has a relatively potent inhibitory action on the monoamine transporter and inhibits the reuptake of dopamine, norepinephrine and serotonin. It is commonly used as the hydrochloride salt and is compatible with the known vasoconstrictors. It is used at present mainly by the dental profession and in dermatologic surgery. It may be used for patients sensitive to the para-aminobenzoic acid derivatives. The next drug is cyclomethicaine. Cyclomethicaine is also known as surfacaine. It is a local anesthetic and it is a benzoate ester. Its IUPAC name is 4-cyclohexyl-oxybenzoic acid 3,2-methylpiperidine-1-allyl-propyl ester. It is characterized by the presence of cycloalkyl ether moiety at the fourth position on the benzene ring. It is available as cyclomethicaine sulfate. Cyclomethicaine is synthesized from 2-methylpiperidine. Alkylation of 2-methylpiperidine with 3-chloro-1-propanol gives 3,2-methylpiperidino-1-propanol, whose hydroxyl group is substituted by chlorine using thionyl chloride. The resulting 3,2-methylpiperidino-1-propyl chloride is further reacted with 4-cyclohexyl-oxybenzoic acid, which gives cyclomethicaine. Cyclomethicaine is a white crystalline powder sparingly soluble in water and chloroform. Cyclomethicaine is extremely used as an effective topical anesthetic in thermal and chemical burns, in dermatological lesions, sunburn and skin abrasions, in urology, gynecology, obstetrics and anesthetic procedures. It is a surface anesthetic with long duration of action. It is used to relieve pain from damaged skin, mucous membrane of rectum, vagina and urinary bladder. The last drug of this lesson is piperocaine. Piperocaine is a local anesthetic drug developed in the 1920s. It is a benzoate ester and is a sodium channel blocker. Its IUPAC name is 3,2-methylpiperidine 1-allyl-propyl benzoate. Piperocaine is synthesized from the reaction between benzoyl chloride and 3-chloropropane 1-ol, and the resulting product on treatment with 2-methylpiperidine forms piperocaine. Piperocaine is small, white odorless crystals or a white crystalline powder. It is stable in air and freely soluble in water, alcohol, and chloroform. It is used as a surface anesthesia for eyes, throat, and caudal analgesia. It is used as its hydrochloride salt for infiltration and nerve block anesthesia. This is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the benzoic acid derivatives, a class of local anesthetics. In the next lesson, we will learn the aminobenzoic acid derivatives. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.